Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a problem from exam review number 1. Problem number is number 3. So, first of all, we are given f of x equals 2x squared plus x, and also g of x equals 3x minus 4. So, first of all, in this first problem, we are given f of a negative 3. So, we're just going to plug that in for f of x. So, it is going to look like this. 2, then the negative 3 squared minus 3. Now when we reduce that, we are going to get 15. It's that easy. Alright, moving on to part B. We are doing f minus g of x. So that will look like this. 2x squared plus x minus 3x minus 4. So here we pretty much just combined the like terms, and we will end up with 2x squared minus 2x plus 4. And we got that from combining this x and the negative 3x, which just reduced. So moving on to C, we are actually trying to see when g will equal this 8 and what x has to be. So 8 equals 3x minus 4, which we are given here. We add the 4, add 4, so that cancels. We get 12 equals 3x, divide by 3, divide by 3, and we get it to equal 4. So x equals 4 for that equation. Moving on to D, we are given f times g of 1. So we are going to plug in 1 wherever we see a x for this equation. So we have 2x squared plus x times the 3x minus 4, which we were given in the beginning. Now we are just going to plug in a 1 wherever we see an x. So 2 times 1 squared plus another 1. That times 3 times 1 minus 4. And once we add up and multiply all that up, we are going to get a negative 3 as our answer. Moving on to part E, we are given g of a plus 5. So we're going to plug that in using this equation right there. 3a plus 5 minus 4. And we'll get a 3a plus 15 minus 4. Then we will end up with a 3a plus 11 for our final answer. Now, moving on to part F. Now we are trying to find the x-intercept of f of x. So this is actually pretty simple. So we are given the equation right here. F of x equals 2x squared plus x. So we start with 3 equals 2x squared plus x, which is just the equation right there. So first of all, we can see that our first answer we're going to get is x times 2x plus 1. Now we see our first answer we're given is 0. So that is one of our x's. Over here, this takes a little bit more work. It's going to be 2x plus 1 equals 0. We subtract the 1, and we end up with 2x equals negative 1. Divide that by the 2, divided by 2. Another x is going to equal negative 1/2. All right. So the last part is part G. We are trying to find the y-intercept of g of x. Now here I'm going to show you how to do it on the calculator. So I already have it all plugged in for us. The 3x minus 4. Now if we go to second table, we go to on the x coordinate, go to the 0, and we find here that equals -4. So our 2 points here would be 0, -4 for our final answer. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye.